So if you have an Impreza, a Crosstrek, a Forester, a Legacy, an Outback, you're probably going to have an option to put fog lights in it. Today we're going to be doing a vinyl overlay for the fog light. If it didn't come with them, you'll have to figure out a way to put them in, but if you do have already existing fog lights, there'll probably be a bezel cover such as this. And it's just clipped in, right? So typically what you do is you kind of get into the little corner around here. You're going to pull it out a little bit, and then the whole thing will just pop. I already have existing Laminix vinyl overlays on the top and bottom here. These were installed a long time ago when I first got my car. I love them. By the way, somebody recommended that I complete the look, you know, with the yellow here, the yellow down here, overlays for the stock headlights. I think it looks pretty good, but now we're going to be taking off this older overlay. It's been, I think, 4 years now. I'm going to put some new ones on. So I discovered that it's kind of cool today. It's like kind of overcast. This vinyl wrap, when it gets cold, it really adheres to the surface really, really well. So what I just did was I pulled out the heat gun and heated up the lens a little bit, and then that vinyl overlay just came off just like a sticker. It was real nice. So we're gonna do that on this side. Now you may not have a heat gun, so a hairdryer will do just the same thing. These things are pretty inexpensive, like 20 bucks, less than $20 sometimes. Just warm it up. It's not glass, I believe it's plastic, so actually don't quote me on that. Just heat it nice and even. Don't stay in one spot, just spread it around. All right, so just finished heating it up. Now I'm just gonna, look at this, nice and easy. Comes off really, really easy. So if you have a heat gun or a hairdryer, that'll do ya. Okay, so the new overlays look like this. The old ones, I got them from like another car. They just happen to be just the right size that fit. These ones will stretch over right around and cover the little edges, which is why I bought them again, because they actually came in a pack. So we're gonna warm this pad up a little bit. We're gonna spray a little bit of water, but you can keep it wet. Don't worry about the sticker getting wet on the back. It actually is meant to have water behind it. So I've got myself a little sprayer bottle here. Just missed. Okay. We're going to peel this off and stick it right on top. Stuck it on as well as I could. See the water behind it. Just kind of press everything out and press out the water behind it. That's definitely a Subaru. Just get the edges. I'm gonna take the heat gun to this again. Just gonna warm it up. It becomes a lot more pliable after the heat is applied to it. If you have like a really soft credit card, one of these things that they provide for you, it's really easy. Just smooth it out. This one is relatively easy because it's semi-round and they cut it really nice. This one, however, it requires a good bit of patience, and evidently you will have to cut. So I cut around this area here because I knew I was going to put these vinyl caps on top. Just try. Don't be scared. It's just plastic. I think that's looking pretty good. To install the bezel, just snap it in. Make sure the little tabs are secured in there. And press. Voila! C'est bon.